we will try using the MUNICS app to do a deposit, because for some of you who are probably new or would like to understand how to create a deposit here in the MUNICS bank, first all you have to do is log into an account. So for you to log into an account, the first thing that you have to do is to register. It's very easy to register with MUNICS. All you need to have is a valid phone number or email address and an invitation code. Invitation code, you can get it from any MUNICS member or existing depositors. So this one is actually an app. So let me try to go to the desktop version of MUNICS. So if you want to register an account in MUNICS, it's very easy. Either you register with a phone number or an email address. So both ways you will need a valid invitation code. It's required. So you just go around and find MUNICS bank depositors so you can get an invitation code for them, and so you can register in MUNICS. So once you are registered, you will be able to, of course, log in. So once you log in, you can simply go to home and create a deposit. Okay, so before, like we started way back in October 2019, there are like fixed deposit accounts that is giving around 5% to 10% monthly interest, but from this month, the fixed deposit account has been removed, and now we only have the current deposit, which is just giving around 2% to 5% monthly interest. So we call it the 235 because for $500 MSC, which is equivalent to $500 US deposit, you will be able to get a 2% interest per month as your dividend. So that's the lowest, but if you, which is around 24% in a year, but if you have a deposit of around 5,000 to 9,999 MSC, you will get around 3% per month, which is around 36% per year. And the highest one is if you made a 10,000 MSC deposit, you will get around 60% annualized interest. So that's the thing. And it's important that you will be able to connect with a MUNICS bank depositor, so the person could explain it to you more detailed. So for example, like what I told you, once you log in and you want to make a deposit, you just have to click on home, and you can choose between fixed deposit and current deposits. The fixed deposits, this is only per SOFO. So we want to get the free HDAO. That's our goal. So HDAO, after we get the HDAO, I will explain to you the details of this cryptocurrency, why it's very good for you to have it, and take this opportunity right now to get it for free by simply becoming a MUNICS bank depositor and starting a current deposit with MUNICS. So if you were to buy it, like what I shared to you, it's around 23 centavos. So why you have to buy it if you can just get it for free, right? So hit two birds in one stone. So for you to make a current deposit, you need to click on home and then click on current deposit. For like us, we were depositors, like me, from October. So I have some bonus amount. So for me to make a deposit, all I need is to have like around 60% of MSC that come from the company, and the from my bonus I can actually spend around 40%. So before I go live, I did purchase already or deposit buy MSC from the company. It's very easy for you to buy MSC from the company. If you are a cryptocurrency trader or enthusiast for such a long time, I'm 100% sure that you are very much particular with USDT. So if you have any cryptocurrency, you can simply convert it to USDT and deposit it here in your MUNICS bank app. It's very easy. Using USDT is just around 5 to 10 minutes. If you can also do over the counter or bank deposit online or bank deposit offline, but those might take longer. USDT is the fastest way for you to do it, so that's what I did. I deposit around 300 USDT. That gives me around 300 MSC as well. So what I wanted to do now for me to be able to get the free HDAO is click on home and click on the current deposit, and I have to type here the minimum deposit should be actually $500. So like what I told you, if you can do customize the payment, and because I have my bonuses, so I can just choose to pay 300 from this and 200 from my bonus. So that would make me have a deposit of $500, which will earn 24% in a year. So where you can get 24% in a year in a traditional bank, I don't know any bank that would give us higher than that, because as far as I know, most banks are just giving a minimum of 1%. To the highest that I have seen is like in Mongolia. For a bank, they're giving around 17% in a year. So that's really good. But here is 24% in a year. So you just have to click on next. Just like any other bank, the higher your deposit amount, the higher interest rate that you will get. So all you have to do, is just confirm the purchase, and then it needs to ask for a verification code. I would definitely receive that. So I need a verification code. I must receive it from my phone. It's a pretty secure app, because for you to be able to push any transaction or complete any transaction, you need to get a verification code to your registered email or contact number that you use as your phone binding, and it usually arrives very fast, but I don't know what's happening at the moment. Yeah, so it's 753746. So once your payment is complete, you will see that you have registered a current active plan. So here it shows that I have an another $500 deposit. So we see that, ta-da! I now have free HDAO, around 22,026.43 free HDAO. So that's how easy it is. All you have to do is activate a current deposit from 500 MSC to up to how many thousands MSC that you would like. And since 1 USD 1 MSC is equals to 1 US dollar. Whatever amount that you get there, you deposit, is exactly the amount that you will receive with your HDAO. So as we check today, the price of HDAO is around 0.235, right? So I deposited 500 MSC, which is equivalent to 500 US dollar, divided by 0.0235, it's 21,276. But I receive around 22,026. So this is based on coin market cap. Maybe it's a bit, the price become a bit lower once we are doing because it will be according to the market price. While I pushed the deposit, so I got free 22,000 HDAO. So that's around 22,000 pesos, or $500 also. So you deposit a $500 savings and you get a free $500 worth of HDAO. So that one is very good. So this is the video. So now you know exactly how we are getting the HDAO. It's very quick, it's automatic. There's no waiting time for you. So as you can see, also my deposit become higher because I deposited another $500. So that's very simple. So if you want to see, probably you're saying, so I have $75,000. Yeah, kind of, but actually my actual deposit is this 500 that we do just now, and the 10,261 that I did like 7 months ago. So that's it. The other features of MUNICS we will discuss later, because this video is only about how you can get the pre-HDAO. So HDAO for me is such a very promising cryptocurrency, because like what I explained to you, it was launched using the OKX Jumpstart, which is for you to be able to be listed for token sale in OKX Jumpstart, meaning you were one of the best projects that the cryptocurrency world will be able to see, because there are a lot of criteria that they're considering for you to be allowed to have a token sale in OK Jumpstart. So, and if you would check HyperDAO, HDAO, because I've been checking them for like past few days, they have a really good project that's going around DeFi, which is the decentralized finance that everyone is looking forward in the cryptocurrency world. So it's DeFi is very simple. In few words, it just mean that everything we need to access financial services is just having a smartphone and an internet connection. So what are the financial services that we are using today? It includes savings or banking, deposits, making loans, trading, getting insurances, buying real estates. So those are the things that we don't need to do at all by going to a physical bank or a physical financial offices that would help us to get loan or insurance or real estate loans. All we have to do is just get into our phone, make sure that we have an internet connections, and the decentralized finance movement will take care of it. And HDAO is basically all in and will go around this platform of providing financial service just in the comfort of your mobile phone. So I have a very positive belief that this cryptocurrency will be one of the biggest in the future. So this is just free for every deposit that you will make with MSC and that you will make in MUNICS Bank. So it's just a gift. It's free, so we just enjoy it. And if you have any more questions, you just message us, like MUNICS depositors, or you can message me, and I will explain to you, or I will connect you to a person who could definitely explain MUNICS Bank to you. Either they are residing in your same area, or they can give you a call or send you an email, and so you can make your own deposit and receive your own HDAO cryptocurrency. So that's it for today, because I promised my team that we will have one topic per day for our MUNICS morning, and maybe I will repeat it again later at night, because this is just a test program. I just find an app that would help me do live stream. So I hope this would help, at least, because now it's really good that you are seeing the entire app, and not just by doing a screenshot and sending it to you. Here you could watch it, how we are doing it, how we're making it possible. So that's all for today, and